Get your bite. You got it. My turn. It's good, ain't it?
Yes. It's like my nose itchy.
Or maybe the 2 times spicy sauce. Oh my God, no, it's the juicy crab and beyond, y'all. The juicy crab and beyond.
Diversity. Miss Diversity. This is the
Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope. Y'all, today I am bringing you a seafood boil in the bag mukbang. And I'm trying this new place that's near me, y'all. Been wanting to try this since I saw it all of 2 weeks ago. But anyway, today I stopped by there after I came from the doctor and I'm trying it. It's called Ocean Breeze. Y'all, look, they got some look. Yeah, it's so cute. All right, y'all. So on the menu today is a seafood boil in a bag. 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 I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour this up, y'all. I'm so excited, y'all. This place, I'm gonna get more into it. I'm super stoked about this place. Let's go ahead and get our pour on. Pour it up, pour it up. Ah. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God, y'all, and I got it 4 times spicy. Ooh, I hope, oh my God, that look good. Ooh, yes, baby, that look good. I'm gonna have to flip the camera for y'all. Ooh, let me place that sauce. Actually, I'm gonna put this back in the bag, so let me do it like this. Cause I know I'm not gonna eat all of it, so I can have some for later. All right, y'all. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, do y'all see that? Ooh, y'all, let me get y'all a quick little area. All right, y'all, we're back. I had to flip it around for y'all. Can y'all see me okay? Let me see. Oh, is anything cut off? No, I think I can see it real good. Ooh, yes, hold on. Yes, baby, I'm so excited about that. So, I got it, see? I got snow crab, head on, shrimp, ½ pound of each with extra fries. So they even give you some rice. I didn't order rice. They charged me for it, but I didn't order rice. But anyway, you can never have too much rice, so we'll save that for another time. But I got fire hot times 3. If y'all can see that. Fire hot times 3. Yeah, I know it's 20 something, but it's like $10 a meal. Plus I got extra sauce. So y'all, you know I'm gonna make a spread. And I got rice too. Yeah, you're gonna have another mukbang. Y'all to drink, we have some. HO as always. Stay hydrated. And also, y'all, we've got some of that sangria back in the building. Let's see. All right. His server's already been popped. It been popped. I'm gonna be using my Special K glass, courtesy of my Special K, aka my beautiful K. K from Cali. Hey, boo. Salute, all sippers in the house. Y'all, my head ain't cut off. I think it's okay. I'm gonna put it back a little bit. All right, so I didn't tell you what I got in the menu today, did I? So the menu today, y'all, we've got some extra spicy snow crabs, some head-on shrimp, some potatoes, some corn, and we got a side of lemon. All right, yeah, without further ado, let's go to give thanks and get to grabbing. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm going to put my bib on. Oh, child. I'm so excited. They gave me some gloves, too. I'm not gonna use them. I'm gonna save them for later. I have some other gloves over there. I'm gonna put it in that box in a second. So just sit right there for a second. Yeah, I wanted some seafood so bad. Y'all know what I really had a hankering for, but I can't have them. Not quite yet. Put this on. Yeah, I'm gonna put a time stamp when this child, when that actual eating takes place. Oh, did I give y'all previews? Hold on, bear with me now. I've been running today. Ooh, child, I've been running today. Having some technical difficulties. Hold on. Okay. My hair bow, put that back. Hair bow back. I heard something vibrating. What's going on here? All right. Got my washcloth. Got my paper towels. Okay. All right. Whew. I want to go for the shrimp, y'all. I haven't had any head on shrimp in a while. And I got that 4-time spicy sauce here, too. I told them I like them. I'll be back. I sure will. I will be back. Okay. Ooh. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. It tastes good. Get your bite. Get your bite. You got it. My turn. Put a little lemon on it. The girl working there. She was like, she like her stuff spicy like that too. Hold on, I'm trying. It tastes really good now. That flavor is on point. I really like that flavor. Or at least I overcooked a little bit. Let me get some of that. Can you see it? Let me get some of this up right there, maybe. That flavor is really good. Like, it's not spicy enough. It truly is, and it's not. I had some high hope. Woo! Yeah, cut. You knew what I was going to do. You already knew. You knew it was up. You knew it was up. Let me use the last bit of this left in here.
Shaking my head downtown in disgust.
Now this is about to be so good, y'all. Oh my God, it's about to be so good. I know it's about to be so good. I'm on my knees now. Can you still see me? Let me just pour it all in there. Just pour it all in there. Just pour it all in there. So now what do I make it? 6 times spicy? I don't know. We're about to see, but I know this is about to be good. Let me take that tail and stir it up. Let me take my lemon. Stir it up. Like that. Now this is about to be so good. I know this is going to be so good now. Oh my God, it's about to be good. I know now. This I know now. I'm making a mess. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let's take this potato. Ooh. Let's see. Let me see. Get your bite.
Oh my God! Wow!
I knew it. I knew it was gonna work. I knew it was gonna work. I knew it was gonna work. Oh my God. Let's get to the snow crab. Y'all, so anyway, this place here, it's actually right up the street from my house. And, oh God, it's so good. I was coming back from what was it? I was picking up NENE from the airport. The first time I saw it, and the second time I saw it, I was coming back from a lash appointment, doing lashes from a client's house. And so I was like, one of these days, I want to stop by that. I'm like, when did they even come there? What was that? Was it the ale house or something? I'm not sure what was there before. But that wasn't there. And this place is huge. I'm thinking maybe it's just a huge behind version of Juicy Crab. That's what I'm thinking. Although I saw Seafood Market across there, I thought maybe just a huge behind version of Juicy Crab. Oh my God, no, it's the Juicy Crab and beyond, y'all. The Juicy Crab and beyond. Yo, I'm gonna insert that footage. Let me go ahead and insert that footage. I'm gonna insert that footage right about now.
Thank you so much. Yes, please.
got live blue crabs. You got green lip mussels. Oh, they got gooey up. I can get my Vietnamese food from here too? Dang. I think I'm cooked. I think everything. Yeah, I'm gonna be back. Yeah. Yeah. You got everything. It's good, right? It's good. Do y'all see all that? Do you see all that, y'all? If you want, you can pick your own seafood out and they will cook it for you. Ocean breeze, y'all. On top of that, it's like a little Asian market. See, had I had known I could put my own seafood out, I would have went and put all my stuff I wanted. Exact shrimp I wanted. Although they did a good job. I hope they wouldn't give me no pink pinks. They didn't. This is good. And they gave me a big container for $1.99 for the sauce. First I was like $1.99. I think it's gonna be one of the pink containers, but it was a good one. Ooh, sorry. Yo, this is so good. So how's everybody doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What are you sipping on? And how was your day today? Y'all, it's Friday. This might come out on Saturday, but I'm going to be pushing for Friday again. So happy Friday to you. Happy Friday, everybody. Cue music.
You know what day it is, baby. You've been waiting on him all week long. That's right. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's motherfucking Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's motherfucking Friday. I I light up, I lean back because it's Friday. Turn up, chillax because it's Friday. Do whatever you want because it's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. That's right. It's Friday. Yeah. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's motherfucking Friday.
It's Friday. It's Friday. It's Friday. It's motherfucking Friday. Happy Friday, everybody. Even this come out at 2 o'clock. Yeah, I'm releasing this. Last night, that thing didn't come out until like this morning, so I couldn't release it. I'm hoping. This one will do me a dirty. Oh, that's good. I should save that corn though. Somebody picking up my teeth. Mercy, that's good. So corn. I had to flip it around for y'all. I approve of Bahama Breeze. Y'all even have blue crabs in there. Yeah, I was looking. I look. I love me some Andes, but I'm gonna have to give them a little, just a little bit, little taste, and just to see, you know, just to, whenever I can. Just in case, you know, they're not open one day, I can have me a backup spot. I love the feel. Y'all didn't bring the trash bowl. I was so ready to eat. I don't know how much of y'all can see. I was so ready to eat, y'all. I was like, I had a one-track mind. So we'll keep the trash on. So, Nay, yeah. It's good. You want to taste it?
What is it? What is it?
Food squeezer. No, that's the one I just took the head off. Say hey, Nay.
Hi.
You smell fresh.
I do.
You want some lemon?
Yes.
Grab lemon.
This sauce?
Yeah.
What is it?
I put some 2 times spicy sauce in there though.
What is it?
It's 4 times hot. It's called the boom sauce or bang sauce. It's on there. It's like 4 times hot. It should be this big. You like it? What are you wet? You washing your face?
Setting spray.
Like it? Oh, good. What you been now?
Sorry.
Still can't see you. A little bit more. You can sit on my chair. There you go. Hey, y'all. It's good, ain't it?
Yes. It's like my nose itchy.
Or maybe the 2 times spicy sauce. This market, it has like everything in it. Everything. They even got gooey duck.
That what now?
The gooey duck clam.
Oh, gooey duck.
Yeah. Everything, all the stuff in tanks and stuff. It looks like it looks like an overseas Asian type market. That's what it looks like.
Really?
Yeah.
That sounds
I was shocked. I'm not sure you can look at the video footage. Watch my video.
I am.
Good.
Thank you.
Good. NENE approves. I'm making all kind of mess over here.
Ooh. Yum,
I put 2 times spicy sauce in there. Hey, may I have a trash bowl, baby? Y'all, I got some french fries over here, too. Nalea wanted some Zaxby's. And they kind of gave me some non-fresh french fries. So I got some french fries over there. Some french fries.
Can't be having none of that.
Hmm?
I said can't be having none of that.
But, can I bother you a little bit more? I'm sorry. Don't hate me. It's okay. I'll use that. I'll use that sweet and spicy sauce. I was gonna ask for some ketchup, but I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Go ahead, baby. No. No worries. No worries, baby.
It's fine.
No, really, no worries. Okay. Did I make a mess? Okay. I literally just got.
Which drink is mine again? The orange one?
I literally just got. I realized I can't even drink that drink I got. Cause I'm drinking wine. But you know, I can save it for a couple of days when I won't be able to have any alcoholic beverages.
Because it's too sweet, you said?
No, because it's too much sugar to.
Yeah, it's too sweet.
Yeah, to drink the wine and that. That's just too much sugar together. Like sugar consumption.
Yeah.
Put some fries in here. Y'all a little hodgepodge meal. But yeah, I got a drink from there. But I shouldn't be bringing me my gift soon. Yeah, I'm always talking about it because it is what the TI is. I'm just kidding, but I can't really have my wine. I mean, I can, but you know how it goes. Together, this is good. I want to eat the other potato now. And I'm eating these french fries. Be too much. So, on a flavor level, 1 out of 10, I give this place like maybe a 8.59, like seriously, like flavor level. Only because it tastes like a little bit on the saltier side, and it might be because I got an extra spicy in it. People think extra spicy is equal to extra salt. You know, I just want the spicy component. Spice level. Maybe a 5.5. Okay, flavor's like a 9. The flavor's a 9. And then spice like 5.5. I always thought it was gonna be more spicier, but they're dealing with a dragon. Anyway, I recommend this place. So let me find it. If you live in Orange Park, Florida, I recommend this place. Here it is. Ocean Breeze. Oh, shoot. I got a coupon. I got some coupon. Okay. So I get me a family meal. I got me a coupon. They even give out a coupon. Child, here we go. Ocean Breeze, y'all. I asked them how long they've been open. They said they've been open since October. So not long at all. They've only been open since October. So it hasn't been that long. They need to do more like, well, they might already have, but some marketing. Fill up that parking lot because, baby, this is a secret. Hidden gem. If I would have minus that rice they charged me for, it probably would have been cheaper than juicy crab. You gone?
Yeah.
All right. I love you. Please be safe. Let me know when you get there.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
All right. What's up, Solis? You gonna french fry? Hope everyone's had a wonderful week. Mine was well. I cannot complain. Right now it's storming here in Florida. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna be back here. I'm gonna be back. I'm sure I'm gonna be back. They hire me too if you're looking for a job. Oh, excuse me. If I'm not mistaken, I think it might be Asian run, Asian based. I think it is. All I know is it looks like one of those markets I see on TV overseas. So y'all, I was like in awe, like a kid in a candy shop. Like, they were like, yeah, go ahead, film. They were so nice. They were super duper nice. Now I have me a juicy crab alternative because there was another place called Rocking Crab. This food tastes old.
And I
don't like that. It's not like that at all. But this right here, this is good. I really like this. Juicy crab. Which I've eaten in a while. Juicy crab, watch out. I'm so glad I decided to stop here. Ocean breeze. Is my shirt still clean? I think so. They're gonna sell this, y'all. Trying to get a bite. My shirt's still clean. I got this sweater. This sweater is courtesy of Nicole, which is LELE'S, well, Nathan's sister-in-law. He's married to Nathan. She's married to Nathan's oldest brother. Ooh, excuse me. Nathan is BD number 3. So the only thing, okay, complaints I might have is this: the shrimp is overcooked just a little bit. It's overcooked. Well, a lot of bit. But seafood boil in bad places like this, it do overcook. You gotta pull them things, cook them separate, or at the very last minute. They really don't need to be cooked, just thrown in a hot pot, really. All right, y'all. Before we get too far gone, listen to Travel Case shout-outs. I'm hungry. I told y'all. And these shout-outs are coming from my video that I uploaded earlier that was supposed to be on Thursday, but ended up being on Friday. And this one might end up being on Saturday. It's cool. It's coming from my 2-time spicy chicken wings and cheesy curry ramen mukbang. Thanks for everyone who watched it. I greatly appreciate you. And my top notification shout outs go to Dana Bradshaw, Eats with Fifi, and Joni Me. Thank you so much for being part of the notification tribe. I truly appreciate you. Like always, if you'd like to be part of the notification tribe, all you have to do is be within the first 3 to comment on my video and I'll shout you out on the following video. If for some reason I forget to shout you out on that particular video, I will double up, triple up, quadruple up on the following video record and shout you out there. Long story short, you get your shout out. Okay? Okay, hold on, keep burp coming. Ooh, excuse me. Now on to the tribe. Insiders. So the tribe insiders are tribe members who have elected to become part of the membership program. If you'd like to be part of the tribe insiders, all you have to do is click the little join button that's below us. This is JOIN. Click on that little button and select which tier you'd like to be part of. Or if that little button is not working, check my description box below for a link surrounded by 2 little rainbows. Click on that link and it's going to take you to the same place which you can select which tier you'd like to be part of and you can join the tribe. Insiders. And our tribe insider shout outs go to Chef Disaster the Master, Andrea Sis Pretties, and she's part of the tribe elders, y'all. She's thumping with the big dogs. Ooh, fruit fly. Where you come from? Debbie Shoemaker, DD, and she's part of the tribe chiefs. King Larry 415, and he's also part of the tribe chiefs. Andrea Waters, Letha E, and she's also part of the tribe chiefs. Chunky Funky My Life Story, she's part of the tribe council. And last but not least, Rejoice with Jeannie. Happy belated birthday to you. Thank you so much for being part of the tribe. Insiders, you are greatly appreciated. Thank you. Y'all, and the birthdays, by the way, don't forget to drop your January birthday. Whatever, if it's your birthday, your mama, daddy, cousin, brother, baby daddy, cousin, baby sister, whoever birthday, drop their birthday, the actual date, and whatever message you want said, and their name, and I will shout you out in our January birthday shout out video. Please do not say today, because by the time today comes, I'm not gonna know what today is. Say the actual date, y'all. Cold. I love the actual fries when they get cold. It's like a brick to swallow. I can't. I'm done with them. Oh, it's hard to swallow. I should have started on them first. That's why I don't like to get them when they're already cold. So let's my mom. Be careful. Be gentle. Here. Gentle. Here. Gentle. Okay. Go ahead. Oh, no. I shouldn't have got you started. No. Grandma, give you some mouthwash. That was my fault. That was surely my fault. Okay. These are some decent size crab legs too. I think they overcooked them too. So they overcooked them a little bit. I thought you can always say, hey, go overcook them. But it's my first rodeo. Just a little bit. Try to shrivel up a little bit inside right now like that. No more. No, right now. No more for right now, okay? I gotta start chewing on that. I'm in a world of trouble. This morning, y'all, I ate. Well, I caught myself eating a bagel with some cream cheese and some strawberry jelly on there. My goodness, y'all. That was no bueno. It's crazy. The craziest thing is light my mouth on fire. Ooh, it hurt. I didn't rinse afterwards. Normally I try to rinse after I eat. Normally I brush, but I had to stop that. But here you go. I didn't rinse, and Lord have mercy, I was on fire. I don't think there'll be any crab left. No, I'm not going to smash that. Maybe a claw in this cluster. Maybe. Solo's over here stalking like a hawk, y'all. She's stalking like a hawk. I like this sauce. I'm gonna make me some seafood with the sauce on there. Oh. There's nothing in there. A little something in there. I'm gonna give you those french fries. Hold on. I probably should have gotten her started. Let's see. Really want me some blue, but you see how I'm doing these snow crabs? This shell's softer. The way I eat crabs. And I haven't snowed in a little bit either. The way I eat crabs, I don't know. I try to use the little crab crackers, but it don't be working out for me. And if I do them to them blue crabs, I'm gonna be in a world of trouble. I don't know how long I can hold out. I'm trying to hold out till everything is done and everything's fixed, but I don't know. We're about to see if I can make it. We're about to see. It's happy Friday or happy Saturday, because it might be Saturday. It might very well be Saturday, but I gave you that Friday song. Probably gonna be Saturday. I should have brought some scissors, but I didn't. It's okay. Yeah, definitely overcooked it a bit. Oh, this is really good. I really would like to give them like a 9.5, 10, but the overcooking and the saltiness, I don't know, I can't. Because 10 is like the best you ever had, you know? You can't be giving out 10 gingerly. Ooh. Oh, yeah, this is good. Oh, yeah, I like that little market. I'm gonna go back up there. I can't believe I saw a gooey duck in there. Like a little Asian market. I wonder how they're about to spend more time in there just walking around and looking. Just look around, you know? Everything. They'll fry, steam it for you, whatever. And you can pick it out. I think I might be done. I think I am done. Yeah, I think I'm done. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. Mr. McCormick. All over and stuff. Someone's up here waiting on the French fries. I'm gonna waste some crab. Ooh. Oh my God. Okay, just one more shrimp. That's good. Just one more shrimp. Yeah, I knew it was gonna happen, didn't y'all? Let me move it. I got a reprieve. Let me move that. Next time I might not be so lucky. Okay. Yeah, definitely be Saturday. I've been too good lately, y'all. Too good. I lost weight at the doctor. Oh yeah, thinking how much you eat? Actually, I just eat this, what you see me eating. Besides from that, what I had this morning for that bagel, because I woke up hungry. That's why I don't know why. So I just ate my little piece of bagel. Other than that, I don't be eating until now. And then I told the PMS, you know, child. Okay, I'm definitely done. I straight smashed that. But even for me, that was a lot. Because I had French fries too, so I know that was a lot. By the time I stand up from here, it's going to be over. Hold on. Maybe not. Ooh, excuse me. Maybe not because I was running today. We're about to see it. Let me see. Yeah, the potatoes don't hit me. They are. They most definitely are. It's okay. It's okay. I won't be eating again. Ooh, child. That was good. So yeah, go ahead and check out Ocean Breeze, y'all. Tell them Miss Diversity 3 sent you. That was good. Something in my teeth. Y'all can't see, so I can get it later. Ooh, all right. All right, guys, welcome to the end of our program. Thank you for joining me on my seafood in the bag mukbang, trying a new place, Ocean and Breeze. Like always, like to see, you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe, become part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Turn on post notifications, notified of any and every video that we release. Comment below and so that you're there. Share, because sharing is caring. Give this video a big old like or dislike if it was your cup of tea, and stay tuned for more. If you haven't already, check out the bench of LELE'S got your channel. I'll link in the description box below, as well as NENE's TikTok and You Don't Stop, and her YouTube channel will be in my description box below. If you'd like to purchase any of your MD3 Tribe Vibes, part of our all-natural line, that link also in the description box below. Or if you're all local, like your MD3 lashes done by Moi, wink, wink. That link also is in the description box below. Everything that you need to know in the description box below. I know that was a mouthful. I apologize. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces. Happy Friday or Saturday, y'all.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3,
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3,
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
3.
Diversity. Miss Diversity.
We gonna let the band deal with this.